wrong?
I'm home, but it's still 1979.
I'm sorry, but I don't think I may even pay you for this month.
I know you got petty cash at least. I know for a fact that safe ain't gonna get cashed up until the last Friday of the month.
When he got killed, I fell asleep, and I don't think he locked the doors when he went out. So somehow they got into the place and got into the safe.
Vera, the money. Shh. What are we gonna do? The money we took.
How can we hand it over without explaining where we got it from?
We were tight for money because, you know, strikes and everything, and we figured, you know, we'll go to the safe, see what money there is. But someone got to it before us, there was nothing there. What were you even doing there, Vera? Look, I'm serious, I have so many questions. You're a mystery, you know that.
It's just all too much.
I don't understand. Well, I don't know why you're like this. Look, all I know is that we were both at that factory that night. The night John died. The night the money went missing. It's in my best interest not to say anything. You should know this by now. I thought there was something special between us.
What about the age gap?
I don't know why you keep bringing this up. Alright, so there's a few years between us. I'm only 23. Jesus Christ, how old do you think I am?
How old do you think I am?
Well, I don't know. 17? 18?
Do I look 18 to you?
Yeah. Yeah, you do.
This is not me.
Well, who are you then? What are you then?
I'm Vera. I'm just not this Vera.
Alright, future Vera. Yeah, that makes sense. Have you taken something?
This is not real. You're not real.
Thanks.
I mean, this is my past, but it's not the past I remember. I'm Vera. I'm 55. I work in 80 Degrees coffee shop in 2016.
So that's what this is it?
Say again?
Well, so I go downstairs this morning to put the empties out, and I find this on the doorstep.
What are we gonna do tomorrow? Gold top?
Have you got a generous tooth fairy?
Milk teeth?
Straight up, there was this wad of cash.
Which no doubt is as dodgy as a £3 note.
Maybe, but I find it a bit suspicious that this exact amount here that we need for that place in Mattapan Road.
I got an answer, and
Well, maybe it is, but it doesn't matter where it came from. If you two are still up for this, I reckon we should make a go of it.
I'm sorry, I've got to go. Got to sort out a nasty smell. I'll get Mandy to serve you.
That won't be necessary. I'm not here for refreshments. I'm here to talk to the guys from the factory. All right, lads?
All right.
we ain't done nothing.
Yeah. That's what they all say. I'm after any information you may have regarding the whereabouts of one Mr. Albert Johnston.
He told us we weren't gonna get the money we is owed.
Oh yeah, when was that exactly?
Thursday? About 10? What's going on?
Well, it seems that Mr. Johnston has gone missing from the family home
He's left Irene.
and was last seen about Thursday afternoon. Our investigations have concluded that his were the only fingerprints on the factory safe.
What, you mean he's done a bunk with our flipping wages? That tow rag?
All right, settle down. It's not for me to say.
Why have you hung all this up? And what's Terry's name highlighted? What's going on?
Terry's dead. Back in my reality, in 2016, Terry died. He was sent to prison for a murder he didn't commit. Murdering John for that night that he tried to rape Maisie in the car park.
What,
No, we got there in time. Terry chased John across the roof and John fell off. Terry's still going to go to prison for a murder he didn't commit.
Well, he doesn't have to though, does he?
Lucas, I can't stop it.
Of course you can. Look, you and Maisie were eyewitnesses, right? Just go to the old Bill and tell them what you know. You can take control of this, Vera.
Will you come with me? I'm shaking.
I feel better.
Yeah, it did. They took a statement.
Good, so they believe you, right?
They did, and they're going to get Maisie to make one as well. Look at this place. I'm stuck here with just no way of getting back.
Who says you're stuck here? Who wins the Grand National next year? Who wins the World Cup in 1982?
I don't know.
Vera, we can make a mint with this. You've got to know something. Will Terry Griffiths still defend his title at the Crucible?
I thought you were helping me. But you're not. You're just mocking me. Just get away from me.
No, wait. Look, Vera, don't you find it a bit weird? How you've got all these memories of 1979 and 2016, but nothing in between. Why wasn't any of that on your walls?
What are you talking about?
You've got all these memories of 2016 and 1979, but nothing in between. Your memory's blank. And what happened to your parents, for example?
My parents are dead. My dad had a heart attack and my mum had a stroke. And then Maisie. Maisie's life spirals out of control and she ends up on the street.
Yeah, but it hasn't happened yet.
But it will.
Your dad had a heart attack, right? What was his funeral like?
Well, it was horrible.
Yeah, all right. How many people were there? What music did they play? Was it a burial or a cremation? Go on, tell me.
I don't know.
You don't know anything about your father's funeral.
What are you saying?
Vera, everything you're talking about, it's all your fears. Just your worries, that's it. The other day, I heard you going on about how much salt was in your mum's food or your dad's blood pressure. Like, stuff that hasn't happened yet. Vera, 2016 hasn't happened yet. Live in the now. Live here. Live with me. Vera! Yeah, Vera, come on, can you get me a cup of coffee, please?
Come on, Vera, get with it. We've got customers to serve.
I've just found this dog wandering around outside. Can you help at all?
That's Maisie's dog. That's Oscar. Hey, Oscar. Where you going, boy? Where's your mummy?
What, that crazy old lady who nicks people's leftover chips out of the bin?
That's the one.
Have you not heard? They found her on a bench. She died. The other one opposite the police station. It was so cold last night. Frozen she was.
Oh, Maisie. Oh, Maisie. Oh, Maisie. You're still here. Oh, Dad. Oh, I love you so much. And Mum, I know I can be a pain, but oh, I love you. And maybe go easy on this stuff, hey guys? It's not good for you. Listen, I've got to nip out. I've just got one thing to do and I'll be right back. And Mum, leave the washing up. I'm going to help out more. You need to take things a bit easier.
Right, darling. You seem a lot more chilled these days.
Do you know what I am? Life is good.
It's just good to have you back. Really good to have you back, innit? How are you feeling?
How's the head?
How's the car more like? What's hospital food like?
Oh, it's awful.
Really?
Yeah, just.
God, what? Maisie has missed you so much.
We've all missed you.
Yeah, we have, yeah. You've got to come and see our garage. We're working down Mountpound Road now. It's brilliant. Yeah, good setup. Maybe get them along as well, couldn't we?
Lads.
Yeah.
Terry, you're alive. You're okay. You're okay.
Don't know about okay. They make jumping across car bonnets look so easy on telly. Guess I need to work on my timing a bit.
Joe, I realised something today. Someone told me the future's not set, and my wonderful, crazy, lovely friends, I love you all so much, and here's where I want to be right now, to enjoy myself. Tomorrow, well, tomorrow can take care of itself.
Well, I think this calls for celebration. Tea, cake?
Oh,
Yeah, why not? Go on, ladies. They know their place, don't they? You're all right, mate. You're all right. Yeah, so this garage is bloody excellent. We've had 14